Welcome to Miss Ernest's 6th grade Spanish 1 WikiSpace. This is the homepage of the course. The course is an online blended course, which means that some of the work will be conducted here online. The rest we will do face-to-face when we meet in class. The right-hand side contains the entire menu for the course, including the class syllabus, which I've actually favorited because it is important, the About Me journals, which we'll get to later on, the welcome letter, which explains about this course, a page about your teacher, just an introduction about myself and my background, again the class syllabus, which contains the communication policy along with the communication policy in the welcome letter. The grading page is important because this actually takes you out to a Google spreadsheet which follows the policies and procedures of our school. We must post student grades at all times, and we must do so by student number, so this is how their grades will be tracked. There is also a page for helpful resources, which includes links, apps, suggestions, an introduction on how to use WikiSpaces, which can also be found on the home page. And of course, it includes the different lessons that we will be going over. By the end of this course module, students will be able to conjugate regular AR verbs in Spanish using their subject pronouns in conjunction with those verbs. The first lesson is subject pronouns. So I've posted the student learning objective in which they will be able to identify and use subject pronouns in Spanish. Some questions for them to think about on their own before they get started. This will really activate their background knowledge about subject pronouns. For the lesson, the students are to complete guided notes, which they will use a screencast for, and I've also included the PowerPoint which I used in that particular screencast. By the end of this lesson, they will have a practice worksheet which they are to complete in class so that they can ask any questions that they may have about this particular lesson.